What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? It's AmmaJamma. I am back with another indicator and another little secret little strategy for day trading. As you know, I tend to do a lot of videos about day trading strategies. Check out other videos in our library for other, videos as well that show us our different, indicators, little secrets, tips, tricks, all that I give you. Um, so, be sure to check out our Discord as well on the bottom here if you want to trade with me. Today we are going to go over my top indicator for day trading options on blue chips. We're talking Tesla, we're talking Microsoft, we're talking Apple, we're talking big cap stocks, and a little bit of a secret that I use. All right, we're talking about the RSI. This is TradingView standard formula on TradingView. I didn't adjust any of the moving averages, anything like that. So what we are going to do is we are going to take our horizontal line and we're going to pop it not at the 50, at the 55. So I'm just, instead of trying to get it perfect, we're going to pop this in and put it at the 55. There we go. All right. So we're also going to show you, just so you guys could see why I prefer the 50 over the 55 over the 50. Let's pop a line on the 50 as well. And we'll compare why we use the 55 and not the 50. All right. So here we go. All right. So we have our 50 and our 55 here, as you can see. All right. So this strategy goes, it's as simple as this. We take a bullish position. We take our calls when a 5-minute candle closes above the 55 on the RSI. All right. So let's go back test this theory for a few days on Apple. I'm on the Apple chart 5-minute. All right. First close obviously is that gap up at market open today, but as you can see, we would have taken, of course, options contracts are closed at this time, but even in, scalping some equities, we would have got this entire run right here. Okay. That's the first step. Now we also can see in this area here, those little peaks above the 50. Okay. But in all this area here, we never had a 5-minute candle close above that 55 RSI. All right. So this putting at the 55 instead of the 50 causes us not to get caught in calls and trapped in calls in any of this yesterday, that sideways action, theta burner. We don't want to touch that. We're trading in a super confined $2 area all day long. We don't want any of that. All right. Here's another perfect example. All right. The RSI peaked over that 50, but never hit the 55, never crossed over the 55. So here's another perfect example of where, even though, yes, it's during market close hours, but this is another example where you would have got caught if you used the RSI at the 50 instead of the 55 on when to take call options. All right, here's another example. And this is clear as day. We can see once we crank over that 50, it's this candle here. We literally ride this baby all the way up. And on a weekly contract, that's a 200, 300% gain right there. Let's find a couple that are a little more. Oh, here's another couple perfect examples of what I'm referring to, how that RSI, you want it over 55 with that 5-minute candle closing above it, because you can see in this area right here, again, set up bull trap, we would have gotten trapped. So you can see, look at all these areas where if you use that 50 instead of the 55 to get into a call, you're getting hurt, you're getting trapped. But if we wait for the 55, here we go. Right here, wait for that 55. We played this whole second half here. You don't have to play that first half. It's okay. We waited to the 55. We played the confirmation. We still got a nice pop there. All right. So let's even this area here. So right here is where we're going to take this call. And you could see we get that pop as well. Here's another example right here. All right. There's another example. And here's another example. All these right here are showing us that those nice push, those bull pushes we get when we wait for that 55 crossover. 5-minute candle, close above the 55 RSI, take your call options. And then what about selling, Amy? When do we sell? We sell when we start to dip back down, when we lose at least 5 points on this RSI back down. That's when we abandon the position. So again, a little tip and trick that I use is I wait until we are over the 55 RSI on the 5-minute chart to take my call entries bullish on the SPY. I hope that tip helps you. Check out the rest of the videos we have here on our Petty Boys YouTube page for more tips and tricks on day trading. Bye.